Hi all, welcome to the day 2. In day 2 we will be covering deployments, services or the load balancer, volumes, config map and secrets. Coming to deployments, so deployment provides a mechanism for auto healing and state management. So what do you mean by auto healing? Let's say one of the container or the pod goes down due to some error. So it should restart automatically. The auto healing provides that feature. It auto restarts the container if it goes down. Next is state management. State management makes sure that, let's say I want 5 instances of Nginx running at a time. So I specify like I need 5 replicas of Nginx. So the state management automatically ensures that 5 are running at a time. Let's say if one goes down, it automatically restarts another one and makes sure that the state is 5. So deployment internally uses replica sets. Replica set is a type of resource and that maintains the expected state. In replica set, we specify I need 5 instances of Nginx, so it always maintains that state. Let's say 2 goes down, it automatically restarts another 2 instances of Nginx. Next is deployments can contain multiple pods. We'll go through a deployment.yaml file. As usual, it's better to go with the official documentation of Kubernetes instead of by hearting the template of deployments. So Kubernetes deployment, search for it, you get the base template here. So fine, I copied it and let's go to the terminal. Clear, and I have tested it before, so kubectl delete -f and deployments.yaml file. Okay, so armor of deployments. Okay, I'll create a fresh file, deployments.yaml, and I'll paste the contents of it. So here I'll set the number. So we'll go through the important parameters that are present in the deployment. One is the kind I specify as deployment, but in this file we'll start from the bottom. So deployment spec is having a parameter template, and in that template I'm specifying the label of template as app nginx. You can see template metadata label as app nginx. So the template name will be app nginx, and the template will be containing the containers nginx, and the image will be nginx latest. Nginx latest and ports port 80. Okay, so deployment is internally having a templates property, and we are setting the label of template as app nginx, and the template will contain container nginx latest. Okay, now we'll move up a little, one level up in the YAML file. So deployment spec is having a property called as replicas. Here I specify I need 5 replicas of template matching the label app nginx. Match labels. So match label looks for the template containing the label app nginx. So here match label is same as the template name. So this both will get matched, and 5 instances of this template gets created. Most important thing is the template label and match label should be same. If they are not same, then it won't be able to create 5 replicas the template. Okay, let me save it, and so kubectl apply -f deployment.yaml file. So it created the deployment. So kubectl get deployments. Now we'll run that. You can see there is an nginx deployment Out of 5, 5 are ready, 5 are available. Okay, kettle and get pods. You can see 5 deployments of Nginx are running. It's awesome, right? I mean, with one command you created 5 instances. Let's say if you want 100, you just change the replica set to 100. Now let's look at the replica set to kubectl get replica set or rs. You can see there is an Nginx deployment. The desired is 5, current we have 5, ready is 5. Okay, now let's try deleting a pod and see whether auto healing is really working or state management is really working. So let me delete the 2df8h pod. So kubectl delete pod and I specify the name kubectl delete pod. And let me paste it here. So I'll be deleting the pod. Now let me check. So it restarts another container. You can see, right? It deleted, but it restarted another container. So that is the state management. You can see now all 5 are running again. So how do I delete the pod? You can't individually delete the pod. All you can do is you can delete the deployment. So we have the pods and I deleted every pod. Let's see how I can delete the deployment. Delete deployment and deployment.yaml or delete -f deployment.yaml. So if I do that, it deletes the deployment. Now if we check the pod, if you delete the deployment, it automatically removes the pods also. So get pods, you can see there are no pods remaining. It removed all the pods too. So that's it with the deployment. Yeah, we'll see about services in the next section where we add networking to the deployment.